So coming to the front of your mat, grounding into your feet, bring your hands to your heart. Take some long, slow, deep breaths in and out. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale to fold. Inhale, look up halfway. Exhale, left foot goes all the way back, lower the knee. Bounce a little, release the hips, ground the left hand into the mat. Twist to lift the right arm up to the sky, looking to the thumb. Pick up the back knee if you'd like to, hold. And then lower the right hand, step it to plank. Lower to the mat, push into the hands. Inhale, bhujangasana, lift the heart. Exhale, down facing dog. Inhale, lift your right leg high. Exhale, bring it through between the hands. Leave the back knee up this time as you inhale into Asta Chandrasana, high lunge. Bring the palms together at the heart, left elbow, right knee into a prayer twist. Now lift chest above the hips and take the arms out wide, parallel to the floor, thumbs up. Inhale, come to center, and then exhale, open it out, Virasana 2. Bending into your right knee. Right forearm to knee, left arm comes over, side angle. Exhale, take both hands just in front of the right foot, then pivot the right foot in as you sway to the left, lunge to the right, over to the left, back to the right. Then pivot the left foot to the back of your mat, left forearm to knee, side angle. Inhale, come up, Virasana 2. Straighten the left leg, pivot the foot in, rotate the right foot back out to the front of your mat, side angle, right forearm to the right knee. Come down and sway side to side. And then left forearm to knee, side angle. Inhale, warrior 2. Take the arms up now as you pivot the feet, turn the right foot out. Side angle, right forearm to thigh. Down to your mat, swaying over to the left forearm, side angle. Inhale, come up, Vira 2. Straighten up, arms above the head. Open it out once again to the right, front of the mat. Now windmill the hands to the floor. Step the hands forwards as you lift your left leg to a standing split, and then bring the hands to the heart into Virasana 3. Bend the knees, left foot steps in, chair pose. Sink a little deeper. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bring the hands back to your heart. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, down into a fold. Inhale, look up halfway. Exhale, right foot steps back, lower the knee, have a little bounce. Right hand firm on the floor. Twist to lift the left arm up to the sky, looking to your thumb. Pick up the right knee at the back if you prefer. Lower the left hand, take it to plank. Vinyasa, down to the mat. Inhale, push up, cobra, bhujangasana pose. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, taking your left leg high. Exhale, swing it through between the palms. Keep the back knee up this time. Inhale, Asta Chandrasana. Bring the palms together, hands to the heart. Right elbow, left knee into the prayer twist. Lift up, chest above the hips. Take the arms out, thumbs up. And then inhale through the center, exhale, open the arms out, Virasana 2. Take the left forearm to the thigh, right arm comes over, side angle. And then exhale, drop the hands, hover them to the floor, pivot the left foot in, sway to the right, lunge to your left, side lunge, find that fluid flow with the breath as you move. And then bring right forearm to thigh, lift the left arm up, side angle. Coming up, warrior two. And then straighten your right leg, pivot the feet, turn the left foot out, side angle. Take the hands, fluid flows side to side as you pivot both feet to the long side of the mat, then turn the left foot to the end, side angle. Inhale, warrior two. Straighten the legs, lift the arms, pivot the left foot to the front of the mat, warrior two. Left forearm to thigh, right arm comes over, and once again, hands towards the floor, pivot the feet, sway, and then bring that right forearm straight to the thigh for side angle. Inhale, come up. Lift the arms, pivot the feet, turn that left foot out, forearm to knee. Now hands to the mat, step them slightly forwards as you lift your right leg into a standing split, and then one hand at a time comes to the heart for Virasana 3, warrior 3, to hold it. Bring the right foot to meet the left, find your chair pose, Utkatasana, sink a little deeper, inhale, come up, exhale, bring the hands down and back to your heart. Inhale, lift up and back. Exhale, lower into a fold. Inhale, look up halfway. Exhale, step it back, down dog. Inhale, lift your right leg high. Exhale, place your right foot behind your left hand, your right knee behind your right hand, down into a pigeon. Push back through that left leg. Hold it here, and then if you want to go deeper, come down, forehead to the mat, or stack the fists to take it a little bit more gently. Rest the head on the fists to hold your pigeon. Deep breaths into the hips here. If you want to go deeper now, come up. Bring the hands by the sides of your hips and allow the weight of the body to sink down. Bring the right hand to the center line and reach back for your left foot. Hold it there, or bring the foot into the elbow, reach the right arm up and find your mermaid pose, looking up to the sky. From there, release the hands, release the foot, and drop onto your right hip into deer, finding right angles between your thighs and calves. Lift your arms up and exhale, twist to the right. Hold for a moment and then walk the hands away so you can come down onto your forearms. Again, stack fists or bring forehead to the mat to hold the twist. Deep breaths. Gently push back up onto the hands. Twist a little deeper, left hand on the right knee. And then bring yourself back to the center. Extend your legs out, pull the toes back. Inhale, lift the arms up, and exhale, come down into Paschimottanasana, forward fold. Release the lower back, stretch out the hamstrings. Just close the eyes and breathe here. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, come down and take a little vinyasa through plank, down either an up dog or a cobra now, and then exhale to down facing dog. Inhale, take your left leg high. Exhale, bring that left foot behind the right hand, left knee behind the left. Walk back through that right leg to find your pigeon. Come down onto the forearms, make a fist, double fist, or bring the forehead to the mat. Hold and breathe into those hips. Walk the hands back up if you want to go a little deeper. Walk the hands back by the hips to allow the whole of the body to sink, and then bring the left hand to the center line. Pull that right foot in, perhaps take the foot into the elbow, lift the left arm up to find the mermaid pose. Bring the hands back down, drop over onto that left hip, find the deer, right angles between hips, thighs and calves. Turning to your left, walk the hands away, come down onto your forearms and lower the head to pause and breathe here. Walk back up onto the hands, take the twist a little deeper with left hand behind, right hand onto your knee. Just lever into that a little there, and then inhale, come back to center. Stretch your legs out, pull the toes back, inhale, lift the arms, exhale, folding forwards. A nice ease through that fold to let go through your lower back. Keep the gaze to the big toes. Close the eyes, release on each exhale. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, bring the hands behind. Cross the legs, bring the hands to the heart. And then take another vinyasa. Plank lower, inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale to your down facing dog. From there, take a child's. Just take the knees wide, sit back, Balasana. Bring the hands around, place them on your lower back. Take a pause. And then push into the hands to lift up and come into Virasana, hero pose. If you can, take your feet out a little wide so you can sink the sit bones down in between. Bring the hands onto the thighs and just pause here. Then going to take the hands behind and just arch the back, open the heart, lift the chin, release, gently release out the legs and come down onto your back. Bend the knees, bring the heels just in front of the sit bones, feet and knees are hip width apart, hands by the sides. As you inhale, lift up, Supta Baddha. Take the arms behind the head, chest to chin, chin to chest. Ground into feet. Imagine you're holding a block between your knees. Breathe here and then slowly exhale to bring the spine and the arms back down. Take that again. Inhale, lift up. Engage thighs a little. You could interlace the fingers and push the palms back, really grounding into the feet and the tops of the shoulders. Release and lower on an exhale. Take one more. Inhale, come up. And then slowly lower. Leaving the arms above the head this time. Just feel that stretch down the back. And then bring the soles of the feet together and let the knees drop out into Supta Baddha Konasana. Bend the elbows, so just have the fingertips touching. So you can really release yourself into the earth now. Feel the whole spine sinking. Deep breaths. Belly rises and falls. Bring knees together. Hug them into the chest. Have a little rock side to side. And then open out into a twist. Arms go wide, drop knees to the right, drop knees to the left. And then let's finish with a little Ananda Balasana. Peace fingers around the big toes, soles of the feet to the ceiling, or bind the hands around, take the outside of the ankles, breathing into those hips. And then from there we're going to drop it down into Shavasana. So lying long, feet slightly apart, hands by the sides, palms up. Just align and allow that energy to flow through now with some long, slow, deep breaths in and out. Eyes closed, just allow yourself to sink and release. Surrender, let go. Then hug the knees in when you're ready and just gently start to release the lower back. You could hug the nose into the knees and then rock yourself up to sit. Bring your hands together at your heart. Keep your eyes closed a few more moments. Breathe deep. And then gently start to rub your hands together, ground back in, anchor yourself back to the moment, bring the hands over the eyes. And when you're ready, just let in a little light through the fingers, blink the eyes open and bring the hands down when you're ready. Namaste.